there's a pin-like thing here. Okay, you just pull this and you just insert the monitor like this. Once there's a click sound, you are done. You are done placing the monitor onto the mount. Alright, so now I'll show you what is full motion. Okay, just look at how it could spin. Okay, this monitor could be, you can turn this monitor way back here. Alright, and one thing that I like about this monitor mount, okay, it could be horizontal like this, or you could even turn the monitor to be in a portrait mode like this. Alright, this will be perfect as an advertisement board, a signage board that can be used in any restaurants, you know. So you just put your advertisement here, your menus here, you just place it on any restaurants, or even in, you know, schools. You have kids who wants to learn about stuff, so you could use this monitor mount anywhere you want. Okay, and another good thing about this monitor mount is you could move the monitor downwards, okay, and you could just turn the monitor any way you want, guys. Okay, so that is the full motion Condomounts monitor mount. You could get yours online today and use it yourself too. See you guys on another video.